Are you ready to master CapCut in minutes? Whether you're a beginner or an expert, we've got you covered. This is part of our library of quick CapCut tutorials for easy editing solutions. And in this one, I'll show you how to use the brush stroke effect in CapCut. So here we have 3 different brush stroke effects, and I'll leave a link in the description where you can download each and every one of them. But first, let's head into our first brushstroke effect. Let's drag our media, what we want to do the effect to, onto our timeline, and let's add the first brushstroke effect. Adjust the media so it's the same length. Then what you want to do is you want to highlight the brushstroke effect, come up to Video, Basic, then come down to Blend, then within Mode, select Screen. Then the brushstroke effect will work perfectly. Now, let's just backtrack and show you how it would look if you didn't press the screen. So here it'll look black like that. So let's go back and put the blend back to screen, and there you can see the media through the brushstroke effect. Perfect. Now, before I move into the main part of the video, if you want to elevate these transitions to the next level and make your video stand out, I recommend adding a background track and sound effects. And what this will do is really elevate the video and make these transitions pop. Now, where do you get your background sounds from and the sound effects? That is where Epidemic Sound will step in. There's no need to worry about copyright claims and getting your videos taken down or anything like that with Epidemic Sound. There's a link in the description below. It's well worth checking them out if you want to take your video production to the next level. So let's get back into the main video. Now let's do our second one. Add our media to the timeline. Let's add our second brushstroke effect. Now this one we will need to adjust so it fits our screen. Highlight the brushstroke number 2. Again, Video, Basic, then select the mode, Multiply. There you go, we can see the media through the brushstroke. Perfect. Now onto the third and final one. Let's add our media. Let's adjust the brushstroke this time. And this is done very differently. So, with everything set up as we did with the 1 and 2, this time come to Video and then Cutout. Then select Colour Picker. Select the green, as this is what we want to cut out. Select the strength. I always do 100. I always find this works better. Then, when you play the media, here you go. The brushstroke effect on this media. So that's how to do and use the brushstroke effects in CapCut. You've experienced a quick CapCut tutorial, but the journey doesn't end there. Dive deeper into the world of CapCut with our dedicated playlist of tutorials designed to make your editing experience smoother and more efficient. Learn everything from basic edits to advanced techniques that will take your videos to the next level. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below or on screen now to start watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful content.